Hello students, I am Aarti Sharan. In the last video, I had discussed with you tense, the definition of tense and present tense. In this video, I am going to discuss with you past tense. A tense expressing an action that has happened or a state that previously existed is called past tense. So, the thing or the activity which happened in the past, so it is over, that is called past tense. There are four types of past tense: simple past tense, past continuous, past perfect, and past perfect continuous. Let's discuss simple past tense. Simple past tense is used to express actions finished before the time of speaking. The work is almost completed, was completed, not almost, the work completed in the past. For example, we saw a suspense movie last night. So last night we saw a movie, suspense movie. The activity is completed. It is finished. We saw that. So saw is simple past tense here. The second example, we went to a hotel for dinner. Last day or yesterday you went to a hotel. So this activity is also completed. So you have used went. Secondly, simple past tense is used to express some past habit. The habit of a person is also expressed in simple past tense. For example, my grandfather liked a cup of hot milk at bedtime. So it is his habit. It was his habit. He liked a cup of hot milk at bedtime. So what he did, he often skipped dinner, but never his milk. So this habit is also expressed in simple past tense. Skipped. Father liked. So liked and skipped both are simple past tense here. Thirdly, past tense is used to express an action that took place over a period of time in the past. So a period of time means it has taken place in the past and it is expressed, the action is expressed now. For example, he lived in the hostel from 2001 to 2004. So that means he was living in the hostel for that period. You can also, I was reading and I studied in Gyan Niketan from 2004 to 2010. So you are speaking about simple past tense, that is studied. Now come to the past continuous tense. Past continuous tense is used to express an action in progress at some moment before the time of speaking. The work was being done in the past. For example, it was raining hard at 5 o'clock last evening. The activity was over, but it was raining hard. At what time? At 5 o'clock. The work was being done. What work? Activity was being done? That was, it was raining hard at 5 o'clock in the evening. Was raining is past continuous tense, was plus ing. The second example, you can see, what were you doing when the guest arrived? The activity, what he was doing at that time. The were doing is past continuous tense. I was getting ready to go to the concert. So was getting, again was plus ing, that it is past continuous tense. Secondly, we can see that very often we use simple past tense and past continuous tense together to suggest that something happened when another action was in progress or was taking place. For example, the phone rang when he was watching television. Both the activity took place together. When he was watching television, the phone rang. So in that case, one verb is written in past tense and the other verb activity is written in continuous tense. You can write the phone rang. When it rang? When he was watching television. So when he was watching television, at that time the phone rang. So mostly, not mostly, but very often, past tense and simple past tense and past continuous tense are used together. So we have completed past continuous tense. Now let's come to the past perfect tense. Past perfect tense is used to express an action completed before a given moment in the past. Given moment and the past. One work is completed before the other, but both have completed. So in past perfect tense we use had plus V3. Here you can see the example. The message came after he had left the office. So he left the office and after that the message came, but both had happened in the past. So we have used had left and came. The message came after he had left. He had already left the office and after that the message came. Another example is the security forces had reached the airport before the plane landed. The plane landed, but before that the security forces had reached the airport. Then in some words, it is used with some verbs like hope, expect, think, mean, suppose, want, etc. Why? To suggest that an expected past action did not take place. So, a past perfect tense is used with these verbs to suggest that an expected past action did not take place. For example, we had hoped that most of the guests would come, but actually they didn't come. We had hoped. It was our expectation. So it is written in past perfect had hoped. The second example is I had thought of inviting at least my close friends. So I had thought, but I had not invited. So had thought would be written here because it was planned, but it was not done. So I had thought of inviting at least my close friends, but actually they were not invited by me. Now next comes the past perfect continuous tense. Past perfect continuous tense is used to express an action which is used to express definite moment, which is used to began. This is I'm saying past perfect tense is used to express an action which began before a definite moment in the past, had continued up to that moment and was still in progress at that moment or had recently finished. You come to the example, you will be able to understand this. For example, he had been sleeping for 2 hours. The duration of time is given 2 hours and it was continuous process. It was a continued sleeping. He continued sleeping for 2 hours when I reached his home. So when he reached his home, he found him sleeping and his sleeping was continued for 2 hours. So still he was sleeping. His work and when he went there, he found him sleeping for 2 hours. So there had been sleeping was used there. It was because it was continuous process in the past. Now used is also used to is also used in the past tense, but it is used to suggest that Something was true for some period in the past but stopped being true later. It was true, but but in the past only it stopped being true. For example, Mr. Das used to smoke. He used to smoke in the past, but now he does not smoke. So now he does not smoke. That is why his habit was there. He used to smoke. So this used to word is used with this sentence. So this is the end of this past tense. Now in the next video we will discuss future tense. Okay, thank you.